Well, good morning, my people. How are y'all doing today? Yeah, I hope you're doing all well. Because, well, it's Wednesday. Halfway through the week, except for you sophomores coming to, I don't know, make a just generic school. Except for you sophomores, you also have your PSAT. Unfortunately. It sucks for you, but, I can't really say anything. Yeah, no, I'm finally back out of hibernation, of course. Yeah, that's it. I was too lazy to record any videos, and well, as you might see, there's probably like one little trinket hiding behind somewhere. That was supposed to be a reference to a video I was gonna make this summer, and I tried the whole entire new editing technique for it, and I just ended up giving up in the long run. But what we are gonna do is one thing that I like to do most of the time, and that's called taking stuff apart. And you know what it is? Bam. Don't work. Let me plug it into a power outlet. Oh shit, that killed it. That killed everything. Yeah, this thing draws so much power, I guess it kills every little dang thing. No, she gone, mate. She gone. Damn it! Y'all are gonna get out the desk now. Hello, my little birds. Goodbye, my little birds. That's funny, though. That's funny. On how the freaking... It's so damn funny. Set my dang breaker real quick. Oh darn. Yep, there she is. My room. There we go. I don't know why, that's just so dang funny. Oh, that was so funny, Monty. Yep, there she is. Well, as you saw, that breaker popped. You should have seen it from my view, though. You should have seen it from my view. If only if I had another camera, maybe I would damn near else showed you. But no, who gives a hell? Yeah, no. Good reminder: do not plug anything in that will draw so much dang power. Yeah, listen to the day. But so now I had to deal with this weird cord. Yeah, it's it's already dead. This thing is dead. As you saw, it drew so much power that I killed it. That killed my breaker. And good thing I know how to fix it and stuff like that. Good thing I know how to do that. But yeah, just what was I saying? Yeah, no, it's so good damn well it's doing that. Yesterday it ended up killing itself. Like it bricked itself. So you know what I'm gonna do about this cord? I'm gonna cut the cord. But I'm not gonna do it regular with any normal guy. The pair of scissors. No. Nice tricks, idiot. Schmetterling knife. Not a really efficient way to cut it, but it's something. If I can. I cannot. Well, darn. Well, shoot. Scissors? I don't think I have any scissors. Nope, forget it. I'm gonna do it with a knife. There we go. Yep, we're making zero progress. No, it's say in German. Shoot. Good tip. Knives are not good at cutting through copper wire. No, I didn't plug this thing in, and yes, this thing is 440 steel, so it's would shock me if I were to cut it with this thing plugged in. But no, there you go. See, we're making progress. So far, so good. Just got it. There we go. She go on my. Well, I guess you don't need the. You don't need that anymore. Put you right there with the rest of the beautiful kidneys. Yeah. So the cord is not in the way, except this little stub. We're gonna open it up now. What we're gonna do is a screwdriver. That's totally the right size. Totally the right size. I don't want to hear any criticism in the comments. No. Take it out. By the way, I have no idea what the heck I'm doing, so I'm just going in this blind. Ugh, that's why it's all gone. Because she's dusty. She dusty, she rusty, she crusty. Take out the fan case, because why not? It's not going to work anymore. It just died, and it ain't going to work anymore. So, just... Ugh. You got that. I wonder how far I can disassemble this thing until it don't work no more. I wonder how far I can disassemble this thing. I wonder. Except that's going to be my big problem. Right here. This is going to be my problem. And there's so much dust all over the place. So much dust. Oh no. Huh. Let's see how I can do this. I don't know. I think I might have an idea. Let's see if it'll work though. Let's see if it'll work. She ain't gonna work. Damn it. Hold on. Okay. Multi-tool. See how this works. I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna work or it's not gonna work. I don't really know, and I don't really care. Oh, no. That's all the instruction y'all are gonna get today, I guess. Or I can't. Oh no, I think I see a way how to do this. I think I see a way. No, I do not see a way. I do not know the way. Who doesn't know that reference? I just realized I could have done this. And this, and that. Now we're gonna do, mates? Well, if I had a camera that I could show the stuff that I threw off of camera, that would be funny. Got the extra lulls for that, but yeah, no. Just disassemble this. Let the disassembly continue, mates. Got some pepperonis. Yeah, no, roll off my table, I swear. If you roll off my table, I'm gonna, no. Throw you away. And usually I would have done, like something like technology, tech shooting. Like technology destruction. I would have probably done that, but, no, can't. Because I have no technology to destroy. No, this is like really cruddy MP3 players. Ugh. My table's gonna get deep cleaning now after this. After this whole entire video, my TV's definitely my table's gonna definitely have a deep cleaning. Yeah, no, just casually just assembling stuff because why not? You know, because this video is probably going to be like ridiculously short, there's probably not going to be any need for editing. So, in other words, I'm not going to edit. Okay. Come on, get out. Ah! Even more tech destruction. Because, not tech destruction. More destroying this poor fan. Because why not? The biggest fan. Can undo this. Get off. Thank you. Now I need this thing to come off. Think an idea. Just please wait. If I could. We're doing it right this time. No, well, I guess the stand is just really nothing but just, you know, your button. So that blended in the complete wrong direction I wanted it to. I guess you can see here it's a brushed motor. Any other means of me to trying to disassemble this thing? I don't know. Let's see. Ugh, that's full of grease. Oh, she greasy. Come on, sister. Break, dang it. Kill my screwdriver head? Kill my screwdriver? No, you're not. Thank the Lord. Oh no. You see me being an idiot. You could just see me be a total idiot, and that's that. You can hear my birds in the background. They're probably confused or talking crap about me. I don't know. They're birds. Like, what else do you think they are supposed to do? They're tiny, adorable, make huge messes, and that's that. Dang it. Huh. Try this other head. Try this. See if it works. Getting there. You know, sorry for the sounds, guys. Like, you know, concentration and stuff like that. I'm gonna probably die because of this. I don't know. Just yeah. It's been like 13 minutes to doing this. Maybe this is probably a little bit of cutting and stuff like that. I don't know. Phillips head screwdriver for the window. That's all I know. There you go. There we go. We're getting there. We're getting there. We're getting there. We are getting there, mates. There you go. Let's further disassemble this thing, shall we? It's probably nothing because as you can probably see by this little thing, it's like what makes the oscillation go. Make it, you know, make the fan go turn. Everything falls apart in this. Yeah. Ugh, it's so greasy in here. Is it grease? Yeah, it's grease. I thought that was solidified. You know, so when it's pulled up, it's in that position. No, it don't turn, but when it's in the down position, you just, I don't know. There you go. No longer useful. That position, you don't turn at all. Anything along those lines, you can probably see it like this. I don't know. Focus, you idiot. Too freaking bright, you idiot. But it's in the down position. It does this. Endurance of fan. Oh. Trash. Yeah, other than that. So you can try to take this thing apart. Highly doubt it though. I have my doubts. Or maybe not. Or maybe yes. Well, damn it. The three kinds of multi-tools. Christ, how the hell are they supposed to get this thing on? It's more like free spinning, honestly. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna go ahead and do this. Yeah, no, I just wanted to do that. I don't know why. I want to disassemble a fan because, well, why not? So you know what this thing can go do? It's in a good place. I'll probably do that. Yeah, no. It's like 17 minutes long. You guys can get the raw footage of this thing. Yeah, no, because I'm bored. Later's nerds.